Today, I'd like to introduce a handy tip that allows for automatic and permanent updating just by using Vlookup once. When we retrieve data in Excel, writing Vlookup or XLOOKUP functions is necessary, but it can be quite cumbersome to remember all parameters of each function. That's why TableDI has developed the function formula panel, which allows you to simply select the options to complete. Let's take a look. Now, we need to fetch the delivery date, quantity and project number from delivery sheet into lookup table. Open the lookup table, click on the Vlookup button located above the table to open the formula panel. Select the delivery list as reference table and choose delivery date, quantity and project number as reference columns. For the matching criteria, select a match based on the same product code. Once you have filled in the necessary information, click Finish. Immediately, a new table is generated. Now, if you add data in the lookup table, the queried content will be automatically updated.